In this series of videos, we're going to cover the enhancements to Mosaic version 6.0 being released in August of 2017. We've added new parameters, we've increased the unit display for fraction mode to display all the way out to a 64th of an inch. We've added a new cabinetware door report for those customers moving over from that particular software. We've added 6-piece trays to the drawer library. We've also added hardware fastener pricing to the pricing tab, and we've added the new fasten link geometry to the fasteners. We've added new L-shaped islands. We have added a new precise island positioning tool. We've added a few things to the product editor and the product tab as well. The major changes in version 6 have to do with multi-print and the layering system that creates the jobs for multi-print. So let's have a look at the new parameters first. Let's select our libraries, products, and we'll just look at the parameters for the frameless cabinets. So the first category we're going to look at is the tops category, and you'll notice that your back stretcher width is now listed separate from your front stretcher. So this will allow you to have a different stretcher size in the back versus the front of your cabinets. And the next category will be the scribes. Now we can see that the fixed shelf interior scribe is a separate parameter from the bottom interior scribe. This is for face frame cabinets, as we can see here in the help tab. So your fixed shelf interior scribe, which is the amount the shelf is set below the rail, is different from the bottom interior scribe, which is the amount the bottom sits below the bottom rail. Also in the toe category, you'll notice that we've added the capability to dado your toe kick into the ends and to even create a qualified tenon for that dado. And again, you can see those parameters here in your help file. And finally, we're going to look in the boring section, and you'll notice several new parameters here that have to do with adding a third row of holes automatically to your cabinets. So we have simply the parameter 32mm third hole. This is simply a yes/no parameter. We have the 32mm third row reference. You can reference from the front of the part, the back of the part, or the center. We have the 32mm third row minimum width. So that's the minimum width of a part before you add the third row of holes. And the location, and that's an offset from your reference. So if you wanted to offset this row of holes 2 inches from the center of the part, then you could set it up that way. Or perhaps it's from the back of the part, you wanted the holes to always be at 12 inches for parts that are 24 inches wider or more. And again, you can see the help file on this here, and this will help you understand those parameters and how to apply them.